Hello everyone, it's Francis. I've got another project share. Thank you for all who has joined me for this. I am super excited to share this with you. This is using my Music Box album tutorial, and I used Stamperia Cosmos. So I know the paper is sliced up, but this is what it looks like. This paper is fantastic, and paired with iridescent paper from my wonderful friend Susan, I seriously can't be more excited about this. But you'll notice in this one I added some extra features, and I'll leave a link to the tutorial down below in the description. Now the added features you see in here, yep, I already have a bonus edition tutorial up and ready, already included in the Music Box album tutorial. So for my students who already have this class, or you're already a monthly member, it will be added right in there for you. So the best way to implement these extra features would be to follow the original tutorial up until you have all your bases trimmed, scored, taped, and markups totally achieved. So I'll also be playing a tutorial trailer after this walkthrough, that way you can see my teaching style and if it's something you think you can learn from. So here on the front cover, I fussy cut this guy out of the paper line. He's absolutely fantastic. I popped him up. I did a window. Okay, this moon is fantastic. I just love the shaker windows. I'm just pretty obsessed with that right now. And I have this glitter actually from Target, and it kind of sprayed and stayed in that position, which is kind of nice because you can't see the foam tape on the back of the wolf, so that's really cool. So here's the side right here, and the other side. Okay, that paper is absolutely fantastic. I just cannot get over it. So I did a lot of fussy cutting for this. Love the crackly paper. I did use my little gel pen to make all these little cute stars right here, and then my other little journaling pen to go along all these little photo mats. And a quick shout out to all my Facebook friends. Thank you so much for helping me decide what colored stamp. I ended up choosing brown only because there's lots of blues and less brown that I chose for this particular thing. But thank you again so much. That was so much fun to hear what your guys' perspectives were. And I just truly appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much. So right here, we just have a simple page, and then we've got this fussy cut feather out. I used a lot of my circle punches to just punch out a couple moon shapes throughout the entire book using that fantastic iridescent paper. Can I say the word fantastic anymore? I'm not really entirely sure. Okay, so this is an added feature right here. There was never acetate. So here's a nice photo mat spot right there. Brilliant. How many photos can you hold? Probably 60 or more. Okay, beautiful owl. Just love this paper right here. That's probably one of my favorite papers out of the whole line. This is also an added feature right here. It's just a window to see right through. A couple photo mat spots, and then I fussy cut out a couple of these, went along with my journaling pen. Also, you'll notice this. That's also my pen as well. That opens up. Okay. We have a 5x7 photo spot right here, and even better, cooler, not better, just as cool paper right there. Okay, I forgot chalk marker on the back of that one. Or my white gel pen, so fussy cut these out, right? And then we have this page. So again, I just doodled away on there, and then fussy cut him out and put him there so you could see him right through the acetate pocket. Love that. Look how shiny. Just gotta show off the shine. Okay. I love it. So just an easy photo mat spot right there. A little flap that goes to the left, and then it reveals this again, so it's kind of a repeated pattern. I used my circle punch to make these little tabs. Beautiful, cute little moon. I just love it. I can't get over it. Fussy cut the wolf out to go there, and a couple more elements right here. Beautiful paper. Oh my gosh, I can't handle it. My niece helped me doodle some of these journaling lines, so she was doing fantastic. I just added a couple little elements right there. Anyone can make these books. Just takes a few steps and you're on your way. It was so fun to make. It only took me a day or so to put it together. Got him howling right there in the background. Another little punched out little moon there. More of the little word sentiments from the paper line. I love the little sayings from this. Chase the moon, ride the stars. Stars can't shine without darkness. Just that beautiful contrast that each and every one of us experience in this universe. So this paper really reflects a lot of, you know, my belief system. So I really enjoyed working with it. Got my little birdie, another moon, another window, another flap. Yep, you guessed it. There's 3 page units in here, so they repeat themselves. Look at the owl, okay? I did little stars on the back of this one. Remember, the tutorial trailer will be playing next. I am using different paper, but the base design is there for you to customize any which way that you want. Again, I've got this little guy in the background. He fits perfectly right there. And then some more little journaling lines, a little moon. Some more of this gel pen right there. I did get that gel pen from Hobby Lobby. Okay, beautiful. And then we've got this pouch on the back. It's a gusseted pocket. And we've got all kinds of goodies in here. And you can fit tons of photographs in here. And it just keeps going. These are all the little journaling cards from the paper line. Little moon I just fussy cut out. And these all just go right back in here. Again, this is another added feature right here for this pocket. So you can see it's kind of a 3/4 pocket. Acetate. Beautiful. Again, I'll leave the tutorial link down below. Thank you everyone so much for watching. I cannot wait to see you over there. And I'll see you next time with my next project. Bye. Hello everyone, it's Frances with Your Book of Memories. Welcome to the Music Box album tutorial. I am just so absolutely thrilled to be here with you, sharing my crafting knowledge. And then I love the Martha Stewart bone folder. Beautiful. I think you can find this on Amazon. And I have my Tim Holtz scissors. You're gonna need those as well as some adhesive. But also I always use Paper Studio 8.5 by 11 from Hobby Lobby. Okay, just a 25 pack will be fine for this project. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep going through. Look how cute. Wow, I love it. The back of that one is this. Here's a new page. I'm really going to try to spice it up and do a very unique, different twist on it. So here's some cheesecloth. Very simply, I'm just going to write top with my pencil. Okay, so I know. You can place the adhesive in here any way you want. I'm just going to kind of give it a little bit of love. I like to fold towards the bumpy side. So I'll just go like that. Okay, and I like to cut from the inside outward instead of from the outside in. That's just the way I've practiced. You do it any which way you're comfortable. Now there's a 3 flaps, 6 pieces, 3.5 by 6. Let's check our scraps, okay? Beautiful, I've got 6 pieces now. So if you want, you can just go A3F, or you can just put A3. We're gonna line them up all with the 6-inch side along the top and simply score 1/2 inch. Closure on the right side right there. Start top left corner. Cut 3 pieces out, 4¼ by 4¼ Since we're already 4¼ right here, why not? So that moves us on to the tiny little flaps right here. So that's a total of 4 pieces, 1 7/8 by 3¼